Okay, I greet you everyone. So today I'm here again with Geography Paper 1 2019 questions and answers. So but the answers are the questions are 50. The one with answers are 48. So I will leave the two for you to do it on your own. Question 3 and 42. You will do them on your own. So question one is study figure 1 and answer questions 1 and 2. So it is here is the figure 1, which is the map and its functions. So question 1 says the settlement pattern on the map can be described as the settlement pattern on the map can be described as. The answer is A. The answer is A, which is linear settlement. Question 2. What is the dominant function of the settlement from map evidence? What is the dominant function of the settlement from map evidence? It is agriculture, which is B, as you can see. On the map, there is coffee plantation and cocoa plantation. So that's the dominant function on the settlement. That's the dominant function, agriculture. Question 3. As I said before, that question 3 you will do it on your own. Then let's move to question 4. A settlement that has picnic sites, caravan sites, youth camps, parks will be a settlement that has picnic sites, caravan sites, youth camps, parks will be a touristic center, which is B. The answer is B. Question 5. An area that has only rural land uses will have will have aspects such as. An area that has only rural land uses will have aspects such as. The answer is A. Woodlands and hamlets. Question 6. Question 6. The north of the Arctic Circle is referred to as. The north of the Arctic Circle is referred to as land of the midnight sun on the 21st of June because the north of the Arctic Circle is referred to as land of the midnight sun on the 21st of June because the answer is B, because there is 24 hours of daylight. Question 7. The correct pair of dates that lead to equal length of day and night is the correct pair of dates that lead to equal length of day and night is the answer is B, March 21st and September 23rd. Question 8. Longitudes are important lines because they are used to Longitudes are important lines because they are used to the answer is B. They are used to calculate time. Question 9. The process which involves the transfer of water from plant is the is the atm into the atmosphere is the process which involves the transfer of water from plants into the atmosphere is the answer is B, transpiration. Question 10. The drainage basin into which River Benue empties its water is the drainage basin into which River Benue empties its water is the answer is D, which is Chad. Question 11. Which of the pairs or set below give the instrument to measure wind speed and also the unit of measurement? Which of the pairs set below give the instrument to measure wind speed and also the unit of measurement? The answer is A. Question 12. Select the set below that constitute only units of measurement. Select the set below that constitutes only units of measurement from different weather elements. The answer is D. Question 13. If an area has a mean annual temperature of 27 degrees centigrade, an annual rainfall of 2,000 millimeters, its climatic region will be there. If an area has a mean annual temperature of 27 degrees centigrade and annual rainfall of 2,000 millimeters, its climatic region will be, the answer is B, equatorial region. Question 14. The layers that make up the atmosphere and arranged from the top of the atmosphere to the surface of the earth is the order. The layers that make up the atmosphere are arranged from the top of at the layers that make up the atmosphere are arranged from the top of the atmosphere to the surface of the earth in the order. The answer is B, thermosphere, me- mesosphere and stratosphere. Question 15. Which of these is a method of trying to reduce the risk of flooding? Which of these is a method of trying to reduce the risk of flooding? The answer is B, afforestation. Question 16. The effects of global warming can be controlled by. The effects of global warming can be controlled by. The answer is A, control by reducing energy consumption. Question 17. Limestone areas are beautiful landscapes, but they have the main problem of. Limestone areas are beautiful landscapes, but they have the main problem of. The answer is A, infertile soils. Question 18. Study the following list. Yes, one is global warming, two, drop in agricultural output, three, expansion of economic activities, four, environmental degradation, five, rapid population growth and source of conflict between nations. So select the answers that gives only explanation of water scarcity. Select the answers that give only explanations of water scarcity. The answer is D. Is D, which is 2, 4 and 6. Question 19. Plants that convert solar energy into carbohydrates through photosynthesis are called. Plants that convert solar energy into carbohydrates through photosynthesis are called. The answer is A, primary producers. Question 20. The vegetation of the tropical rainforest is called evergreen because the the vegetation of tropical rainforest is called evergreen because the answer is C. The trees shed their leaves in the dry season. All continents one existed together. Question 21. The biome with the greatest variety of plant species is the biome with the greatest variety of plant species is the answer is A. Tropical rainforest. The biome with the greatest variety of plant species is the answer is A. Question 22. All continents once existed together as one large supercontinent called all continents once existed together as one large supercontinent called the answer is B. Question 23. So first is study the following list of landforms and processes and then answer questions 23 to 25. So question 23 says features produced only by wind action are features produced only by wind action are the answer is B, which is 3 and 6. Question 24. Features produced by depositional processes only. Features produced by depositional processes only. The answer is A, which is 1 and 5. Question 26. A method used to measure the well-being of an economy in terms of literacy, life expectancy and per capita income is called a method used to measure the well-being of an economy in terms of literacy, life expectancy and per capita income is called the answer is A, which is stages of development. Question 27. When a resource is described as renewable, it means that when it is used. 27. When a resource is described as renewable, it means that when it is used, the answer is D, when it is used, it can be replaced. Question 28. Mineral deposits that lie at or near the surface are mined through. Mineral deposits that lie at or near the surface are mined through. The answer is D. D. Shaft mining. Question 29. The traditional sources of power are gradually being abandoned today. This is because the traditional sources of power are gradually being abandoned today. This is because they are very the answer is C. They are very polluting. Question 30. Fish as a resource can be conserved by. Fish as a resource can be conserved by. The answer is C. Quotas restriction. Question 31. Ash from burnt trees and bushes is used to improve soil fertility. This is a characteristic of ash from burnt trees and bushes is used to improve soil fertility. This is a characteristic of. The answer is C. Shifting cultivation. Question 32. Overproduction, that is grain mountains and milk lakes, is a problem facing. Overproduction is a process facing. Overproduction in bracket grain mountains and milk lakes is a problem facing. The answer is A. Intensive commercial farming. Question 33. Agriculture has become friendly to the environment because of. Agriculture has become friendly to the environment because of. The answer is B. Agroforestry. Question 34. The countries South Korea, Brazil, Mexico, Portugal, Taiwan, Singapore have a common characteristics in that they are all. The countries South Korea, Brazil, Mexico, Portugal, Taiwan, Singapore have a common characteristic in that they are. The answer is C. They are newly industrialized countries. Question 35. When an industry uses heavy inputs but produces lighter goods, it should be located near the. When an industry uses heavy inputs but produces light goods, it should be located near the. The answer is B. Should be located near the raw material source. Question 36. A human tourist attraction. A human tourist attraction. The answer is B. It's terms of trade. The answer is B. A human tourist attraction. That is question 36. A human tourist attraction is culture, which is B. Which is B. Culture. Question 37. The volume of trade refers to the volume of trade refers to the answer is C. Quantity of trade. Question 38. The cheapest mode of transport over short distance is the cheapest mode of transport over short distance is the answer is A. Road. Road transport. Question 39. The demographic transition model today has the demographic transition model today has the answer is B. It has 5 stages. Question 40. Tima went to college in Tudik village, but he is ambitious such that he thinks he will have a better chance of getting a good job and enjoying life. He moves to Douala city. The type of migration involved is the answer is B. It's rural urban migration. Question 41. The terms site and situation are connected to settlement. The terms site and situation are connected to settlement. The answer is A. They are connected to settlement location. Question 42. As I said before, question 42, you will do question 42 on your own. Then 43, the creation of large gutters in cities is how to solve the problem of the creation of large gutters in cities is out to solve the problem of the answer is A. Is to solve the problem of flooding in the city. Question 45, 44. I mean. A multipurpose river project can be defined as a multipurpose river project can be defined as The answer is D. The construction of a dam across a river for many uses. Question 45. The tropical rainforest vegetation in Cameroon grows under the influence of the tropical rainforest vegetation in Cameroon grows under the influence of the the answer is D. Equatorial climate. Question 46. Lumbering activities are highly developed in the southern plateau of Cameroon because there is lumbering activities are highly developed in the southern plateau of Cameroon because there is the answer is A. There is a large forest resources. Question 47. The development of manufacturing industries has been slow in Cameroon mostly because the development of manufacturing industries has been slow in Cameroon mostly because of the answer is D. Because of poor investment policy. Question 48. The rural exodus the rural exodus from the western highlands of Cameroon to other parts of the country is due to mainly the rural exodus from the western highlands of Cameroon to other parts of the country is due mainly to the answer is A. Few social amenities. Question 49. Road transport in Cameroon faces the problem that most routes are seasonal, and this means that roads let me take the question over. Road transport in Cameroon faces the problem that most roads are seasonal. This means that roads the answer is A. This means that roads cannot be used in any season. Question 50. Pastoral farming in Cameroon has a major problem. The existence of pastoral farming in Cameroon has as a major problem the existence of let me take it over. Pastoral farming in Cameroon has as a major problem the existence of the answer is A. Poor transport facilities. Poor, poor transport facilities. All right. Thank you very much. We have come to the end of this. Uh, d- just follow it carefully, grab your success, and then see you next time.